I'm Ayush from EaseIt, and in today's episode of Excel is Fun series, where we aim to combine learning with memes, we'll be learning about index function. The index function is used to retrieve values from a range according to the row number or column number you specify. What? Suppose you have a book. This is a really nice book. Suppose you have a book and you want someone to read a sentence out of it. So naturally, you'll first tell the person which page you're talking about. So in this case, we're talking about 111. So this will be our range. So we'll tell him that this is our range, and I want you to read off out of line number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll tell him that the row number is 5 and it's written age proof. So that's our word. That's what index function is going to do. We give it a range and it will return a value according to our row or column number. So let's dive into Excel and see what this crappy analogy actually meant. So here we have an example in which we have album and songs 1 and 2. All of those are metal songs, my choice. But let's look into the example. So to tell Excel that we'll be using index function, we'll first put an is equal to sign, which tells Excel that this is a function and not data. So after putting is equal to sign, we'll write the function itself, which is index in this case. You can press tab to autocomplete or write it completely within opening braces. So the first argument is array or our data range. So let's keep this an easy example and let's select a very small data range that will be our album column. So we selected it all. I pressed Ctrl Shift and down key to select it, fast select it, or you can just click and drag it all the way down to select the range. Then we have our row number. So for example, you can either directly enter a fixed value, for example 5, 6, 7, or you can refer to a cell which contains value. Like I'm going to select I10 in this case. So on pressing enter, it returned the album which was in the 51st row. So let's go to the 51st row and see if it's right or wrong. So it went to the 51st row and found Skillet over here. So let's take another example. In this case, we'll increase the data range. Let's put our function, and now our range or our array will be increased. So let's take all of these album and songs as array. So we'll now need to tell it both the row number and the column number. So we can, as usual, hard code it. We can just write 2 and 2 and it will return monster. It went to the second row and second column and it got monster. So let's not hard code any value and let's put our row number as I13 and column number as J13. So now we have monster again. So let's just change it. I don't want to hear monster again. So now we went to 50th row and column 2. So we go to row 50 and column 2, it's highway to hell, and we can see it returned highway to hell. I'm sure you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also please go down there and click the bell icon so you get notified about new updates. Thank you for watching EaseIt and have a fantastic day.